Hey family, today I'll be cooking smoked sausage, green beans, and potatoes in the crock pot. So for this recipe, I use, of course, besides a crock pot, potatoes cleaned and diced, wide cut Italian green beans, smoked sausage diced, onions diced, chicken broth, butter, Tony's original Creole seasoning to taste, and pepper to taste. So here I am heating a pan on medium because I do not want my sausage to be extra soft. I wanted to have like a little crisp skin to it. I went ahead and added the onions to the sausage. That's just something I like, so I did that beforehand.
Smells like North
And
Carolina.
I cooked these for a few minutes.
They know the most. He knows, everybody knows somebody.
That's true.
As you can see here, I'm adding the potatoes. Go ahead and put a little seasoning on the potatoes along with some butter. Your food should have seasoning in layers, not just on the top. So that's very important here. All right, I'm adding the green beans. And a little seasoning on the green beans as well. Again, seasoning in layers. Butter as well, butter in layers. And now here goes the sausage. Now, I did start this recipe in my mini crock pot. As I said, I started it in it. I'm adding the broth to it there. Now, let me go ahead and tell you, I changed over to my big crock pot because I decided I wanted more potatoes. This is totally up to you how much of the green beans, potatoes, and sausage you want. But I just had to change it over.